In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to create gradient text in GIMP 2.10. Hi everyone! If you've ever wanted colorful, smooth gradients inside your text without complicated setup, this quick workflow will get you there fast while keeping your text easy to tweak later. Start with your document open in GIMP. Grab the text tool by pressing T on your keyboard. Click on the canvas, type your text, and set your font and size in the tool options. Bigger, bolder fonts tend to showcase gradients best, so don't be afraid to increase the size. Make sure the text looks the way you want before moving on. Next, convert the text into a selection so the gradient fills only the letters. In the Layers panel, right-click your text layer and choose Alpha to Selection. You'll see the marching ants outline your text. This is telling GIMP to target just the visible pixels of your letters, which keeps everything clean and precise. To keep things non-destructive, add a new layer for the gradient. Go to Layer, then New Layer, name it Gradient, and click OK. The new layer will appear above your text layer, which is perfect. Working on a separate layer means you can re-edit your text later or try different gradient styles without starting from scratch. Now, select the Gradient tool by pressing G on your keyboard. This is the fastest way to get it without hunting through menus. With the Gradient tool active, look to the top left area of GIMP for the gradient list and pick any style you like, from classic foreground to background to vibrant presets. In the tool options, you can also choose shapes like linear, radial, or angular if you want a different look. Make sure the gradient layer is selected, and with your text selection still active, click and drag across the letters to apply the gradient. The direction of your drag sets the angle, and the length of your drag controls how soft or abrupt the transition appears. Drag left to right for a horizontal fade, top to bottom for vertical, or experiment diagonally. If you want a crisp angle, hold the Control key to constrain the direction. You can also flip the gradient using the reverse option in the tool options if you'd like the colors swapped. When you're happy with the result, press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to deselect. That removes the marching ants and reveals your finished gradient text. And that's the easiest way to make gradient text in GIMP 2.10. Super quick and simple.